Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. We are going to look at US dollar and Canadian dollar this time. The pattern that we are going to look at is a contracting triangle with the current data that we have. And in our position, this is a bullish contracting triangle. I'm going to explain with simple word the current pattern that we have here. Usually this is created from an impulsive wave, and as we can see, we have the impulsive wave for this triangle here. We may see the price after that to take a pause from the major trend. It can take different shapes. In our situation, we are in a type of contracting triangle, and after the correction will finish, we are going to see the next impulsive wave to take shape. In contracting triangle, as you may see, the support and the resistance line tends to cut each other at a certain moment in time, if you are going to look at this in this way. The minimum requirement are 2 points on the resistance line and 2 points on the lower support line. However, it can keep contracting in different ways. After the breakout, it is the right moment that price should begin the bullish movement. So this is, in simple word, the bullish contracting triangle. And as you may see, we are in the same situation. In our pattern, we have only 2 points on the support zone and 2 points on the resistance zone. Price is breaking out and it should rise further from this point. However, considering that the pattern is still in development because we are on the daily chart, we have to be careful and we have to take also profits during the way. However, from the fundamental perspective, today we have FOMC and tomorrow we have GDP data. We have FOMC minutes. We have to remember that FOMC was at the beginning of February, so this is an update today. I don't think that they are going to add something in particular compared to the previous FOMC meeting. However, the volatility should be high, so we have to be very careful. Tomorrow we have the GDP data that is going to be one of the main events of the day. It was 2.9%, the gross domestic product. It is expected to be 2.9% again. However, we have seen that the US economy is performing very well. It is increasing, it is showing to have a very good performance. So we may see also a higher number on GDP data. This is what I'm looking at for this week, and on Friday we have only the Bank of Japan that scheduled a meeting, but they don't have a specific time. But this is all related with USD that we have to be careful. Today European evening and tomorrow during the US market opening related with GDP data. They will impact the market. The problem is that we can never know in advance that price is going to create a deeper movement before it will continue to rise, or probably it will continue to rise up related with the comments from FOMC. However, this pattern is showing for a bullish movement. I am targeting the structure zones for the moment. We have these structure zones here that we are going to look at, and if price will break through these zones, it will continue to rise further. If we are going to look at on the left side of the structure, it looks very interesting. All of this zone is very dense here, as you may see, and I think that the chances are very high that the price may stop the rise close to this point. The maximum expectation that I'm expecting is the top of the structure, that probably this is near 1.46. For the stop losses, you need to find a very strong zone, considering that we are in a real-time example and we cannot join this trade right now. We have to find it on a lower time frame. However, in a normal situation, let's suppose if we are going to buy right now on the pattern breakout, the stop loss should be below the previous low, and we can continue with the other targets after that. So the first target is very small for our trade. This is only 50%, as you may see. The second one is 100%. We have 145, and the top is approximately 200%. All the time, if we are going to use a very wide stop loss, that this is 300 points. However, the stop loss all the time is placed in accordance with the pattern that we are trading. So the bigger the pattern, the bigger the stop loss. The entry point should be found on a lower time frame. However, this is showing for a potential bullish movement. So let's see how this pattern will develop and if this is going to be the right pattern this time. So that's all for USDCAD. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next analysis. Bye bye.